ABCs for the absolute beginner. Number 1, we are just learning how to read the notes for the open strings. And so it should be done with pizzicato first, but we're going to say it first because that's most important. The page before shows us where all of the open notes are from our G, D, A, E. So E at the top space, A kind of that middle space, D is at that bottom space, and G is at the very bottom with those ledger lines. And then it shows you in reverse. So just doing that, E, A, D, G, G, D, I always encourage people to say it, then touch it, and then to pluck it. So looking at our number 1, let's say it. 1, 2, ready, go. E, 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 E. Rest, 2, 3, 4. E, 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 E. Rest, 2, 3, 4. A, 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 A. Rest, 2, 3, 4. A, 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 A. Rest, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 D. Rest, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 D. Rest, 2, 3, 4. G, 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 G. Rest, 2, 3, 4. G, 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 G. Rest, 2, 3, 4. It is very important to practice your rests. Play your rests because they are part of the music. So let's have it come up. I have my pin inside of my neck, and then I have shoulder, chest, chin. Go to my video about how to hold. I hold right here nice and firmly and put my thumb, I make a backwards L with my right hand and put it on the side of my fingerboard right here on the side. You don't have to be too far up there. This way I get less rosin on my fingers. So let's do pizzicato. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E. Rest, 2, then A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. D. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, G, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Now, I like to have my wrist pretty straight or a little tiny bit of bend, but it's very, very relaxed. And I'm pulling in towards my hand like that so that I can get it to ring. And I'm trying to keep a very relaxed pace. The rest can get boring. So make sure that you are relaxing and not rushing anything. Use a metronome, it will help. Okay, now with the bow, if you're using the bow, I have the different bow holds on my YouTube. Now, fox face for those younger hands. And then I do the, oh no, falling from the cliff method. And so you can do this right in your lap so that you can grab it and then bring it up and then bring it to your instrument. Or make sure you have it good here and hold it, because we're not trying to strangle this bow hold. The instrument itself is going to be holding up our bow for us. So nice and relaxed. Now, I want you to bow on all these. It's really important to practice with open strings because each string behaves differently and we have to learn how they respond to our bow and how to work with the bow, because the bow will tell you if it wants to work with you or not. So we're going to do this slower because our quarter notes in the beginning, when we start practicing rhythms, our quarter notes should be full bows so that we learn how to use the entire bow and make it sound good. It takes time. Be patient with yourself. So let's take it nice and relaxed from the beginning. Number 1. 1, 2, 3. Shoulder, chest, chin. I have my good bow hold and I'm going to rest it on my E string and everything's relaxed. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, we're going to roll over, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. over. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Practice this a million times at different speeds and watch that you are using the full bow and keeping that bow as straight as possible. Have yourself open up from the elbow, not from that shoulder. We want from that elbow so that we can get a nice straight bow.